California. Let's get loud for TJ Ellis! Oh, he can't hear you. He can't hear you, man. Come on. TJ wants to hear you. There we go. All right, keep it going, man. Get behind him. Oh, Hughes got the super kick. Turn down. Oh, man. One more time for TJ. Come on, man. Get behind him. Man, these guys are coming out swinging. This is no joke. Andy Buckwood versus TJ Ellis. They'll have a second shot at each other. The next matchup will be Vince Byron and James Foster going at it. All right, we are good to go. I know we can get loud for him again. Australia's own Andy Buckwood! Pay attention. He's got some big stuff planned right here. Let's see what he's got. Here we go!